Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Here in the video, we will share the details for Nintendo Switch error code 2110-2963. As per the information shared by Nintendo, error code 2110-2963 occurs with the Nintendo Switch when users are unable to connect their Switch console to the network. First things first, we'll conduct an internet connection test. Ensure your Nintendo Switch and router are within 10 feet of each other for a robust wireless signal. Navigate to the home menu on your Nintendo Switch, select Settings, then Internet, and finally Internet Settings. Your Switch will automatically seek out nearby Wi-Fi signals. Simply select your network name from the list, enter your wireless password if prompted, and start the test. Once complete, select OK. If the connection test fails, you'll receive an error code and message which can be used to diagnose the issue further. Secondly, try power cycling your home network. Unplug your router's power cable from the wall outlet, wait for a couple of minutes, and then plug it back in. Once your router is fully operational again, check to see if the error persists. The third solution requires you to manually assign a network IP address to your Nintendo Switch console. If unsure of how to proceed, there are comprehensive guides available online to assist you in manually entering the IP address, subnet mask, and gateway into the console settings. Next, consider the proximity of your Nintendo Switch console to your router. If your Switch is too distant, this could be the source of your troubles. Ideally, your Nintendo Switch should be within 10 to 15 feet of your router to ensure optimal signal strength. Fifthly, check for any objects that could be interfering with the signal between the Nintendo Switch and the router. Any metal objects or electronic devices in the vicinity could disrupt wireless signals, so ensure there's nothing obstructive between your console and router. Finally, if you're still encountering the error, it's time to contact Nintendo support. They're the best equipped to assist you with this issue at this stage. To summarize, we've outlined 6 potential solutions for the Nintendo Switch error code 2110-2963. These include performing an internet connection test, power cycling your home network, manually assigning a network IP address to your console, ensuring your console is close enough to your router, checking for objects interfering with the wireless signal, and contacting Nintendo support if all else fails. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.